Welcome back to another video here on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you how you can start a business with absolutely zero, no money and nothing at hand. I started with £0 and $0, and the reality is you can start a business and grow a business without having any money whatsoever. Some of these businesses I managed to scale up quite a bit, so you can create six-figure revenues of income just from starting from nothing. Now you might be asking me, well, what do you mean what is nothing? The truth is nobody's got nothing really, everybody's got something. They've got some skills, they've got some ideas, they may have a printer. If you've got the ability to talk, you can start a business which revolves around speaking and education and stuff like that. So there's an unlimited amount of businesses that you can set up. So for me, when I first started my first business, it was a printing business. And I decided that I was not going to invest any money into the business because I didn't have any money at the time. At the time I was only 11 years old. And what I did is I started by looking at the printer that I'd already got and realised that printer can actually print some really nice CDs and really nice pictures. Then what I did is I started to contact my family and friends and ask them if they wanted any pictures printed. And because I was printing these pictures myself, I was able to get these pictures done quicker, faster and better quality than even the lab could produce at the time. Now, inkjet technology was underutilized at the time, but it created a very nice look. The other thing was I had quite a sweet spot because I knew the customers, i.e. the people that I was talking to, a lot better. They trusted me with the pictures anyways. And a lot of these people, because they're your friends and family, will probably tip you anyways once you do the job for them. So you can charge more and you can get more out of that type of a business model. So the best way to start with zero is you first of all want to have a look at what you got and see what you are passionate about. And then you want to start contacting your friends and family that you may know who might like the services. Now, if you don't have any friends or family, you can always go out into different events, social events, and meet people. Or even better nowadays, the thing that I recommend is Instagram and Facebook. You can like certain pages and you can interact with people you don't know. And if you can pitch them certain services, you can make your first £100, your first £200, and once you made that first £200, you can invest that money back into the business and grow it. So this strategy which I talk about is how you start with zero, you break even and then you go forward, break even again, then go forward, break even again and then go forward. This is the best strategy to start a business without having any money. This you might think is quite a tedious and slow process, but it's actually faster than actually sometimes promoting a business, because a lot of the times when you're putting ads into a certain product or service, especially if that product or service is new and you don't have many unique selling points, it's hard to get a customer in because there's a lot of competition in a lot of businesses. This can be bypassed if you know the customer directly and you can get that sweet spot with the customer. That means that that customer is more likely to trust you with the products and services that you're pitching. Now, the other thing that you might notice with these customers is every one customer that you're going to get, especially if you've got that nice intimate connection with them, they're going to bring you another 10 customers. This way you can spiral the business into a much bigger company, and at the end of the year you can easily start making 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and £100,000. So it's not really hard to scale up a business, and entrepreneurship is all about taking nothing and turning it into something. And that is how you scale a business from zero to however big you want to scale it. If you guys need any advice on what businesses to actually start, I'm actually very helpful to a lot of people, and I've helped scale up about 17 businesses so far. Some of those are my own businesses, and some of those 17 businesses I've just helped people along. So if you guys, anybody needs any help setting up a business or going from zero and making your first sale, then let me know, because my contact details, my Instagram is down below. I'm always happy to help anybody who needs help with that. And I know the hardest bit about starting a business is actually starting a business. The starting is always the hardest, and once you start, you can always expand and grow reciprocally from that stage onwards. So my advice here is, don't be worried if you're struggling to find a way to start a business or start an idea and grow the business, because this is what I've been able to do since a young age. And if an 11-year-old me could do that, then I'm sure you guys can all do that too. So I want to thank you guys for watching the video, and I want to see you guys again into the next video where we will look further into anything that you guys want me to talk about. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and Don't forget also to hit the notification bell so you can see more videos like this, and please give me some feedback if this video has helped you. And if you want to see any more videos like this in the future, please let me know and we can do some more. Thank you.